Hey to all you cave guys and cave gals, Caveman Mining here. Hope everyone is well and having a good day. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to everyone who sent their well wishes, as myself and my family were a little bit under the weather for the last week, but now I'm back. And I'm happy to be here to bring you guys some new content. While we were away, there are a few things that happened. The first thing was that we hit 3,000 subscribers. So a huge thank you to all of you guys out in the community, all the viewers, the subscribers, everyone that supported the channel along the way. Secondly, we have now launched our merchandise catalog with our good friends over at crypty.co. So the exclusive Caveman Mining merchandise catalog is now available. I will leave a link in the description, and I will also leave a discount code that you guys can get 10% off all of your purchases on crypty.co. Please go ahead and check it out. Help us to be able to support the channel, and the merchandise is pretty sweet, might I add. But these two things aren't the reason why we're here today. We want to continue where we left off on the channel, where we did our coverage on Toncoin. So on today's video, we're going to show you guys how to sell or trade or exchange Toncoin. We're also going to take a quick look at the current state of Toncoin in terms of the profitability in the mining. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in the laptop and we'll see you guys there. Okay, so we're in the laptop. The first thing we're going to do is look at the current price of Toncoin, and as you can see here, it is $3.28. Now when we last mined this, we'll check some profitability on the coin. You can see here we had a hash rate of 26.5 gigahash at 1600 watts. There is a 0% pool fee, 12 cents a kilowatt hour for electricity. So when we calculate that, that gives us now, as of before, we were making about $835 a month. It's gone down a little bit to $723 a month. And the story with that is that the hash rate has gone up since the last time we have mined Toncoin. So the rewards are, I guess, less at this point. So you can see we were at about 8.5 Toncoin a day, and then we went up to about 8.63, seemed to be kind of the highest, if you will. Let's go to do the all. Yeah, let's do the all here. And you can see it's just dipped down. I mean, there was a point back in early December where with that hash rate, you were getting 22 Toncoin a day. And you can see this line here of the hash rate just really pretty much at its all-time high. So everybody's interested in this project. People are mining it, speculative mining it. So there in turn, the reward goes down. So that's the current state of Toncoin right now. To be fully transparent with you guys, I have switched back off of Toncoin. We're able to scoop about 36 Toncoin, which if we just do some quick math on that, so 36 times $3.30, that's about $118 worth of Toncoin. Exchange I'm going to recommend for you guys to check out is OKEX. Now, I am in the United States, so you will find if you are mining Toncoin in the US, it is going to be quite a challenge to, I guess, connect to an exchange that will actually allow you to fulfill that exchange. We are running a VPN, full transparency. I have a VPN tunnel connected up. We are connected up somewhere out in Europe. If you were to set up the account within the US, you would not have the ability to trade Toncoin. So that is one way around it. Do that if you want, not advice. But if you have mined Toncoin and you found that it is, I guess, challenging to trade, something to look into. The first thing you want to do is once you get an account set up, go ahead and set up all your security. I'm not going to cover that on this video. You want to get to your deposit crypto screen here. And what we'll do is select our crypto, and that's going to be Toncoin. Just make sure it's the open network, and then you would select the deposit network, which is Toncoin-Toncoin, and read the disclaimer. It says make sure you are you also selected Toncoin from the network app. Now we have the Toncoin wallet here. We did kind of some test transfers before the video just to be sure this actually did work. Make sure you are using a legit Toncoin wallet. This one is in fact compatible with this exchange. I have proven that. Just go ahead and hit the continue there, and what it will do is it will spit out a deposit address. The first thing you want to do is copy that, and then you're going to go over to your Toncoin wallet, either mobile or web or local wallet on your Windows or Linux machine, and then you're just simply going to paste in the address. Verify that is the address, just 100% make sure. You don't need this colon and what we'd call the comment, but you do need to copy the comment down below here. That is super important. If you don't copy that and you don't paste that in correctly, then you will have some issues. And then you go ahead and put in your amount. I believe there is 0.0001 Toncoin limit for OKEX. So there's no flags or disclaimers up here. So just for the sake of testing, we did 1 or 2 Toncoin at a time. And then you go ahead and you send your Toncoin over. Typically that will require you to put in a password of some sort. Once you do that, we will send another Toncoin here. We'll hit the next. It will send, or it's sending the Toncoins as we speak. We'll just have to be a little bit patient there, as it is taking some time to confirm. There we go. 1 Toncoin has been sent. Woohoo. And at this point, what I will say is don't get nervous. Things need to kind of replicate. The blockchain needs to go through. The validations need to happen on the transactions. So that being said, when you go to your deposit, you will most likely right away not see anything under where it says all deposits here. That will probably be blank for about, I would say, about a good solid 30 minutes. Once that time has elapsed, you should see the deposit transactions show up here via success. And we will have to probably wait a little bit of time for ours to show up. But for the sake of the video and time, I've gone ahead and pre-sent some Toncoin over. So you can see here our last transaction here was at 21.54. We had 1 Toncoin, and the progress needs 200 validations before the success. Now that you have your funds deposited for Toncoin, the next thing we're going to do is go up to trade. And we're going to go to basic trading. This is going to bring us to a new interface that has all of the coins here on the left for the market. And then you have in the middle pane is where you do your buying and selling. And then on the right hand side, you can see where things are tracking from a buy and sell standpoint. So we want to be able to sell Toncoin. And the first thing we're going to do is type that in on the top left hand corner, and it's going to be Toncoin USDT. And here is the interface. So we're going to do, we have limit, market, or stop. So we're going to go ahead and do a limit. We're going to do on the right hand side is the price to sell. Now it's just gone down slightly in value. Our luck, of course. So we're going to sell 1 Toncoin. We're actually going to sell them all at this point because I've got 4 left and I did a test sell beforehand. So let's go ahead and sell these to USDT for now. So that is going to ask us if we are okay with that limit of 4. Let's confirm that. And order was placed successfully. So we look down in our order history here on the bottom, and you can see our sell order went through of 4 Toncoins valued at $13, even and the status was filled. Now what we want to do is to be able to get the money off of this exchange. And I guess the easiest way to do this is let's buy another coin And I think for the sake of the low value and the low, I guess, transaction costs, we're going to do ADA or ADA to USDT, and we're going to buy a few of those. So we have 12 USDT available to buy ADA. The minimum amount is 1. So if we buy, let's just do some math here. I think we are going to be, max buy is 8.18. I think we can, yeah, we're going to do the maximum amount. So let's go ahead and do that. Order was placed successfully. Let's just go down to our order history here, and that was filled. Now, what we should be able to do is go back to the main interface, and we should be able to go into our let's see here, because this is kind of the first time I'm going through this, but I think we should be able to go through our withdraw option at this point. And if we choose the coin ADA, which is Cardano, we now have, through our trading account, 8.18 Cardano. So we can go ahead and plug in an address here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pull or populate an address through my Coinbase account. All right, so we now have our ADA address. Let's go ahead and continue here. We need to put in our funds password, which is something that you set up while you are actually creating your account. Let's go ahead and get our email code. 1 second here. Just get that from our mobile mail. 042026, and then let's do our Google Authenticator, which is also required to set this up. The good thing about this exchange is that we don't need to do an identity verification, which is pretty important. So there we go. We went ahead and sent that over. I think that's probably going to take some time. Let's go ahead and see down below here. Our wallet address is waiting for transfer. So now this, I'm being told, could take up to anywhere from an hour to a couple hours. So be patient, and then make sure you double check, triple check your funds. I hope this was helpful, showing you how to take your Toncoin to be able to sell it out on the exchange and get it off of, out of your Toncoin wallet onto an exchange and into something that maybe another coin that you're interested in or what have you. This is one easy and quick way to do it. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. We will see you on the next video. Take care.